Ate Cindy, and Ate Mark. So, may kapangalan ka dito, bebe. Ayan, so, everyone, please tayo po tayo lahat. Asa si Mommy and Daddy? And ate, let's go dito tayo sa front. So, all of the guests, please tayo po tayo lahat. We have to sing happy birthday for Ate Jody. Ayan, you have to nod your sing. And magka-clap tayo ng hands.
Magiging nga happy birthday yun. Wala na Marlon.
Happy birthday, Jody. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday, Jody!
Okay, so thank you so much sa lahat ng guests. Makakauna po tayo. So this time, I want all the kids come here, my friends. Then you wear your party hat. We have to start the game. So kids, ready na kayo sa game? Parang ang hina. So kids, are you ready for my first game? Yes, so all of you come here in my front, then you have to form a big circle.
Kusoli ko na yan.